Good morning, everybody. Wilson here. We are in Clancy's garage. Getting the boat ready to go.
Good morning.
It's 4 o'clock. I think it's like 19 degrees outside, and we got a couple-hour drive to shoot some mallards on the big river and some geese. So we're on a revenge mission for animals today, because yesterday I went scouting to scout this spot. Left my house super early. It was about a mile from the spot where we were gonna scout, and I hit a deer and totaled my truck. So this is revenge on wildlife today, so it should be a good day. We ended up finding a pile of birds and some geese, and so we got Clancy, we got Thule. Thule's gonna be the hero of the day and swim in the freezing water. So all right, we made it to the boat launch. We got light snow and a perfect wind for our spot. The ramp's pretty open, which is good. And I forgot my gun. We loaded up kind of in a hurry because it's a long drive, and so we got one gun, and we're gonna just trade off and shoot some birds. So get some birds.
The zipper's a little broken, so we gotta do it a little unconventionally. Hey, come here. Sit. Sit. Up here. There we go.
Any time of year, or anytime you're launching a boat this time of year over where we're at, you got to deal with snow and ice at all the boat ramps. So this one seems to be pretty good. So we will see. Clancy's gonna drive her back down, and we don't have a very long boat ride. It's only actually a couple hundred yards to our spot where we saw some ducks and geese out yesterday. And so we're loaded pretty heavy with decoys, goose floaters, duck floaters, and actually half of the ducks were up on the bank. The bank's only like 10 feet deep, and they were just piled up on this bank. So we bought some full bodies to put up on the bank to run this morning. And it's a little small wind, but it's right coming off our back, so it should be pretty good. Well, we made it to our hide, and you got to properly introduce yourself over here.
Hey, I'm Clancy. Been friends with Wilson for a couple years now. Friends with a lot of the guys around the shop.
Just 1 year.
Oh, just 1 year now?
I think so.
It's been a year and a half.
It's our friend anniversary.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, now we're gonna try and shoot some ducks today on the river. We saw them yesterday. Had kind of an eventful scout. There's a lot of other fun things happened, but
oh, they know.
Found some ducks, and we got a kind of a crosswind for where we're gonna set up. So I think most everything's gonna want to land. It's a decent wind. Into the wind if they read the script, and so yeah, we're gonna put some decoys out here, and we got some full body floater, or some floater geese, some full body ducks, and some duck decoys, and some spinning wing decoys. So we'll see what we can make happen.
The water's a lot deeper than we had thought. So here's the edge. He's knee deep there, but I think it's gonna be waist deep, like 10 yards out.
At least.
Yeah, so we got
yeah, because I'm waist here.
all right, we're set up. We got our panel right on the river's edge. The bank is super steep. We have our one gun right here. I think we had 6 mallards land right out in front of us while we were putting the blind up, and then a couple buffalo head just did us dirty. So the shooting will commence. Payback on wildlife starts today.
That's the other one's gonna be an issue.
Clancy just doubled up.
She's got a goose stuck to it.
Oh, it's we got a situation. Tilly's got a goose attached to her. Clancy just doubled up. These birds came out of nowhere. One sailed out into the middle of the river, so we're gonna grab the boat and go grab it. All right, never mind. Thule just made the most epic retrieve. I don't know if you can see her. She's probably 180 yards out in the river, and she is cruising back to the shore. So, got a green hen and a hen. Heck yeah!
Good girl. Drop. Good girl.
Oh man! Kill him.
Touch it up.
We got a swimmer.
Good girl. Good girl. Hey, back.
All right, it's my turn to shoot now.
Yeah. We'll switch it up.
Clancy got 2 groups of ducks and a big wad of geese. Where did they come from?
They just popped over this ridge right here, and
There's a little drainage ditch on the other side of this hill, and they came up. I don't even think they got 30 feet in the air, hovered across the water, locked up right into our decoys. Tule's doing awesome. She's gotten every bird. This river's moving pretty fast, so. All right, we just had 40 mallards bomb us, and I got one. So, shooting someone else's gun. I got no excuses, but we got one. Tule's on the retrieve. It's a drake. We're gonna keep shooting.
Hey, bring it here.
She got shake off.
Bring it here.
She's getting a Big Mac today, and no kids meals for this dog.
Good girl. Good girl. Right here. Here. Bring it here. Good girl. Drop. Oh, yeah. Coming right up at you. Right up at you. Kill him. Yeah. Touch it up.
I can't shoot this gun very well.
We have a problem with decoys today. That one's gonna help Thule get this mallard.
Well, I gotta figure out this gun. But we got one again. 2 for 6.
That pintail is just stuck on her vest.
Well, the pintails are the ones with they have the long ropes.
Good girl. Good girl. Pintail in tow.
Nope.
Oh, nope. Pintail not in tow anymore.
Pintail, see you later.
We're gonna have to find him later.
That one's gonna go a far ways.
Yeah. We have another one that drifted, but he's just bouncing down the shoreline. And his weight's touching bottom every once in a while. That one is gonna be a hunt. We're gonna have to hunt for that one. Good girl, Thule. Blind setup. We got a panel here right on the edge of the water. Decoy's right in front of us. Birds landing right in front of us. It's a good time. Good girl, Thule. Good girl, Thule. Bring it here. Let's go. Let's go. Good girl. Bring it here. Bring it here. No, hey. Fetch it up. Bring it here. Good girl. Drop. Yeah. Good girl. Here you go, sir.
Another mallard for the group. Good job, Thule. Sit. Okay.
And they're gone. And like that, they flapped out of our lives.
They're getting a little more difficult.
All
Right.
do a silly face.
Clancy's on the social media. We got a little bit of a lull. I'm cooking some breakfast contents over the little stove.
Duck blind breakfast tacos.
Yes. So I'm gonna hold this and do some cooking. Smells good. Breakfast is cooking.
We got some tortillas and some stuff to put in them.
Yeah.
Nice. Kind of going through a mid-morning lull. But when we scouted it yesterday, we were a little late in the morning, so we knew there's gonna be, oh, we just had a duck land over there. Alright, well, might be picking back up here.
We gotta move that decoy. That single decoy has decoyed quite a few ducks down there that floated away.
Get him back over here. Breakfast tacos.
Right on. There's that poker stick. I brought a utensil from home. They're right. He missed them all. Got it.
Catch it up.
So, I guess there's somebody else hunting out here. He shot at these birds like a mile high and he hit one. And it coasted over to us and Clancy put it out of its misery.
Good girl.
At about 15 feet. We just had about a 45-minute lull, ate some breakfast, and add another greenhead to the count.
Come again. There you go. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Good girl. Quit dragging the pintails out there. Oh.
Yep, why did it miss?
Good girl. See if that pintail makes it back here. Go. This is gonna destroy you. Yeah. Fetch it up.
And destroy him on the third shot.
On the third shot. I was scared.
Nice. That was 3.5 inch double
3.5-inch goose loads.
goose loads. So the geese just started flying around. So Thule's on another epic retrieve.
Good girl. This might be your shot. Kill him. Sorry, they were a little far. Thule here. Thule here. Kill him, Wilson. Nice. One more. Nice.
Redemption.
Fetch it up.
You got another goose?
Yeah.
This goose landed on the other side of the river. I missed those ducks. It jumped up, circled, and decoyed right in front of us. So I'm I'm not shooting the greatest, but we're scratching them out.
Touch it up.
Nice. I got a shell right to the dome piece. It hurt real good.
Good girl, Thule.
Got a merganser?
Oh, yeah. Big old green-headed merganser.
Nice. They came in hot and heavy. I think I got on film, which should be good. There was like 6 coming over the berm.
Was there?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. I just saw these 2 landing.
No, they were pretty high. They were going to Montana.
Oh.
Or Canada, I don't know.
Well, Montana's closer. I'm just wink, wink.
Yeah. I mean, Oregon. This dude is on fire.
Ooh, fetch it up.
Nice shot.
Smoked her.
The people at the boat ramp are a little startled. There was a couple taking a snow selfie not too far from us, and they were startled.
I think, get out of here. Good girl.
This one,
No, you got him. Stand up slow. Wait, he's swimming this way.
no, he's swimming away.
Head towards me. I do it now. Got him.
Oh, shoot.
Here. Sit. Well, made it back over to the boat. It's covered in snow. I'm gonna get her untied here. And we'll get back over there and start picking up some decoys. And I gotta go find that one that floated away, that pintail, so we'll go for a little boat ride and hopefully can find that. If not, if anyone else finds it, you can have it. I guess I'll look for it next summer or something, but yeah, it was a good morning. We'll get picked up and get back to the ramp. You shot another one! What happened?
She landed right here.
Nice.
How's that?
I saw you, I heard you shoot, and I saw Thule jump in the water.
I put my head up. I was like, I don't know where she came from. I think she came from down the river.
Yeah.
Or up river. Or down. She came from that way.
Down there.
And I just heard splash. You look up and she was, I don't know, 5 feet from the blind. So, well, bam!
Nice. All right, we're gonna get picked up.
Well, that's all she wrote, folks. Thanks for watching. We shot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we got 1 greenhead kind of floated down the river.
And 3 geese.
And 3 geese. So awesome hunt in the snow. We got snow piled up. We're gonna clean up and then road trip home. Have a good day.